Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get others to promote your product or services. Now, this was a requested video from a couple people that wanted to know how they could get other people to promote their products. So if you're interested in learning more, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. So a couple days ago, I did a video on how you could earn $1,000 a day promoting other people's products and services. And I got a lot of traction from that. A lot of people are interested in those type of videos on how to make passive income and how to take, affiliate marketing to the next level. I'm currently enrolled in a affiliate marketing course. It's called ClickBank University, and I'm learning so much from this course. Now, the cool thing about the course is that if you want to learn as a vendor, if you want to learn how to get other people to promote your products, it's actually included for free. So it's almost like you're getting two programs in one. So for a low cost of $47, you get both. You get how you could earn money selling other people's products. And some of these people make 1,000 a day. Some make like 20,000 a day. And there's even people that have made 1 million a month, put it that way. So you could learn how to sell other people's products and start making money using Facebook. Or if you have your own product that you want to start promoting, then it teaches you how to do that as well. So I think it's a really great deal because you could actually learn both sides. So if you want to start right now just having other people selling your products, you could kind of start with that. And later on, if you want to transition in learning how you could sell other people's products and make a commission, then you could do that as well. Now, the nice thing about ClickBank is that whenever you sell someone else's product, you make anywhere from 50 to like 90% of the sale. So the commissions are very, very high. So just keep that in mind that it is a really, really great affiliate company and they pay really, really well. So it's advantages of doing it with ClickBank. So I wanted to give you guys this information. If you're interested in learning how you could do both, or you don't have to do both, you could just do the vendor side, which is getting other people to promote your product, then you just start with that and the other training will be there whenever you want to take it. So if you're interested in learning more, I will put a link below. It is an affiliate marketing link as well. And that link is going to take you to an introduction page where it explains everything and anything you need to know. So I will link it below. Make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. And make sure to leave a comment below with any questions you have about affiliate marketing or any type of videos you want to learn on affiliate marketing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a terrific day.